Charles?
I have no idea who this is.
That team made a Final Four. You know who they played in the Final Four that year?
I just remember their run. I remember them losing in the Final Four. I can't think of who they lost
Okay,
to.
I'll name you one player, and you'll know who he played against. Joakim Noah.
Oh, Florida.
And so we know Torian Green, obviously, Lee Humphrey, Corey Brewer, a guy who's still playing in the NBA, for God's sakes. He's actually a starter on the second best team in the East. Many people have them coming out of the East in the Boston Celtics, that being Al Horford. And he made it to the Final Four. Unbelievable.